Hey, what's going on YouTube? Today I'm going to show you 3 incredible applications. It's going to keep you covered for free movies, TV shows, high definition. It's going to give you an application that's perfect for sports, pay-per-view, special events. So it's going to be a full media center with just these 3 applications. But not only that, I'm going to give you access to my store, which has over 50 other applications that are just as good. The 3 I'm going to show you how to install, and it's going to keep you updated and give you constant access. Okay, so to get that going on your FireStick, this works also on phones and Android devices, but I'm mainly doing this for a FireStick. If you're working with an Android phone or an Android box or anything else, just use Google Chrome. For those people on the FireStick, just follow along. I'll show you how to do this. So you're going to go to the gear icon on your FireStick. You're going to go to My Fire TV or My Device. It might say My FireStick, My Fire TV, or just My Device. Click on that little box, My Device or My Fire TV. Okay. It's going to take you to another section. You can see I have developer options. Some of you may not have developer options, which is fine. You want to click on the About menu if you don't have developer options. You'll see your device name here, Fire TV, with some basic information here. You want to click on your device name 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See how it says no need, you're already a developer. If you're doing this for the first time, it's going to say now you are a developer. This is essentially the first step we got to take to unlock our FireStick, okay? Now you want to click a few times back, once, twice, 3, 4, 5. That's going to take you to the main menu of our FireStick. The next step, you want to go to Find. You want to go to Search. Once in Search, you want to click inside of that search box. Now, you can use the Alexa or you can search for the application using this keyboard here. And the application is called Downloader. Downloader. But you can also type it in. What you're looking for here basically is that application right there, orange white icon that looks like this with 600 or something reviews, 1,000 reviews. Once you find that application, with the D button on it, white and orange icon just like that, click on it and select the download button. Now, this is going to download the downloader application. You don't want to open it up yet. You're going to get a notification that you're ready and you can open it up. We're not going to open that up yet. Okay. What we want to do is hit the home button. Okay. Now, the next vital step we have to take once you install Downloader is go to Setting. From Settings, go to My Fire TV or My Device. Click in Developer Options once you're there. Install Unknown Apps, and always make sure this is turned to the On position. This is for any new apps that you install, including these great applications. Make sure you always turn on the Install Unknown Apps. Once you do that, click 5 times back. 3, 4, 5. It's going to take us to the main menu. Now, the next application we're going to need is the unlinked application, but we're being blocked from downloading it. To get around that block, all you have to do is go to Find, go to Search, and in here, you want to spell this one out. You want to type in IPVANISH. Highlight IP Vanish just like that. Once you type it in, IP Vanish, click on IP Vanish. That's going to search for IP Vanish. You'll see an application with more than 94,000 reviews, 4 stars. You want to click on the IP Vanish application, dark black background and green icon like that, and you want to press the download button. That's going to queue and download the IP Vanish application. Now, when it downloads, I'm going to log in with my own username and password and set up the protection and set up in a way that I'm going to be able to access Unlinked and access all these applications which internet service providers are blocking access to these applications and to these links. Once it installs, you want to open it up. And as you can see, I'm going to log in with my username and password with my own email and password. To get your own account, all you have to do, you can scan the barcode here, or you can go to this bit link displayed on the screen. There's also a clickable in your pinned comment description, whatever is easier with your phone or with your PC. You're going to land on this landing page by scanning the barcode, and you can pause the video to get set up if you need to. Once you're on the landing page, you'll choose your package. Now, it's roughly about $2 and change for an account through my affiliate link. It's 82% off. All you have to do is scan that barcode link to get that discount, or go to this bit.ly link, also available in the pinned comment description. It's the biggest discount you can get. It's like a cup of coffee at Starbucks per month. $2 and change, and you can use this on unlimited devices, meaning iPhones, iPads, Android phones, Fire Sticks, Android boxes, whatever you're doing this on, you can use this, and you can get full access to the unlinked application, get those geo-block content, those block content links, block movie links, block sports events, block pay-per-views. This is going to unlock it all, and it's also going to give you access to the unlinked application and the updates for the apps as it's being currently blocked, okay? So take care of that, get your own account, sign up on this page by scanning the barcode, go into this in the bit.ly link, in the pinned comment description clickable link, or scanning this barcode, whatever is easier. Pause the video. Once you're on the landing page, use your email to sign up for an account, select your password, create a password, then you're going to get an email from IPVanish, confirm your email account, and then log in by typing your email account you signed up with, put in your password, and then press the login button. I'm going to log into mine, and I'll show you the next setup to fully unlock the FireStick and to get this going and fully stream anonymous all your movies and sports. I'll show you that setup once you put in your email, your own password you created, and press the login button. I'm going to log into mine. I'll show you the next steps. Now, once you log in with your account, you'll see something like this. Now, what you want to do is you want to go to the gear icon to set this up. And you want to always say connect on Android startup. This is going to automatically turn it on every time your device turns on. Once you do that, click back. Now let's get to the servers. Click on the location button right there. Once you click on the location, you go to countries, and you want to scroll all the way to the United States. Okay? So I'm going to scroll all the way to United States. Okay? Once United States, I'm going to say favorite United States. Once you put a yellow star, click on it again and say connect to United States. Now, press the OK on the screen. Now, it's going to flicker the screen, and now we're going to be fully protected, fully anonymous, and we're going to be able to set this up. So here we are. We're connected, fully protected. To get an account going, simply scan the barcode or go to the bit.ly link here. Also in the pinned comment description, there's a clickable link that's going to give you 82% off. It's a cup of coffee at Starbucks per month. Unlocks full access to these 3 amazing applications and even more in my unlinked store. Okay? Press the home button once you're done that. Now we're going to get the unlinked application once our VPN is running. Click on the downloader, and now we can pop this code and it's going to work. Press the OK button, click one up, highlight this into the yellow field like this, click inside, and you want to put in the following code. 10381. So 10381. 10381, and press the go button. Now what's going to happen, it's going to say connecting. It's going to take us to a page. And in that page, there's going to be a 4-second countdown. Now, once the countdown is down, you'll see it'll start downloading the unlinked application automatically without me even touching anything. Here we are. It's going to say connecting, and you're going to see this being pushed through to your device. Once it's done, you can press the install button, but very important, don't press the open button. Press the done button, okay? We got to do one more thing. Press the delete and press the delete to delete the installation files. Now, once you do that, you simply press the home button. Okay, now from here, we're not going to start it up yet. We're going to go to settings again. Like I said, any apps you install and anything, make sure you turn the unknown sources on. My Fire TV or my device, developer options, and then here, install unknown apps, and make sure you turn unlinked to the on position just like that. Once you do that, click 5 times back to take us to the main menu. Now we can start up unlinked by clicking on the unlinked application. Now, this is going to open up the unlinked application. You want to press the new library right here. Now, in this cursor here, click inside, and you want to put in the following code. So I'm going to put in lowercase everything. We're going to put in the code FireStick, okay? This being lowercase, let's put in FireStick, no spaces, nothing like that, just FireStick. Press the next button. Now, if you have your phone around, take it out. Take a picture of this welcome screen. This is going to provide you information. Not only what are my top apps, and the best ones I'm going to show you now, the 3, but it's going to show you other ones. So you can actually have 10 movie and TV shows applications that are amazingly working well today. I always update it. And the live TV applications that are working amazingly well today. Okay? Now, take a picture. It's blurred out on my screen, but when you're doing this at home on your Fire Stick, you'll see the screen perfectly unblurred. And once you're done that, you can hit the enter button, but I recommend hitting the backward arrow once and the backward arrow twice after taking a picture, and just going back into the unlinked application again by clicking on it. That's going to send you right back in here. You want to click on the New Tech Apps folder right here to expand the categories. And you can see I'm in FireStick Tools, but I'll show you how to install any application. So you can scan this for the VPN, this barcode, if you're not protected yet or haven't done that step. Also, you can scan this barcode for your top list, which I update every month. What are the top applications currently working? So not only it will give you the top 3, it'll give you the top 10 for movies and TV shows and the top 10 for sports. If you scan this barcode, it'll take you to that page and it'll show you the best applications if you didn't get a chance to take a picture of the welcome screen. Now, to install the applications, so you can scroll the categories. I'm going to have to blur this out, but I'll tell you exactly what to download. You can scroll up and down, left to right to get those applications. So you can go, for example, to the best sports section, and we're going to get the first application under best sports. We're going to go with my favorite application. So we're going to go to sports. We're going to go with Sports Fire and Stream Fire. These are excellent for sports. So once you're over that application, Stream Fire is my favorite one. So we just updated this one, Stream Fire. Select download under the best sports section that we scroll down to. That's going to download the application. And once it downloads, you'll get a pop-up. It will ask you to install it. Okay. So there we are. Once it downloads. Now this is blurred out, but I'll show you how to do the process without blurring it out on one of the other applications. Press install app. A screen will pop up. Press the install app. The screen flickers and the app is installed. The next app, you can go to best movie and TV show, scroll down, and you can go to Flix Vision is my favorite application that has live TV section, movies and TV show section. Go to Flix Vision, hit the download button. That's my second best application. So we did the Sports Fire, Stream Fire applications. Those two you can get. These are actually 4, but Sports Fire I think is not as good as Streams Fire, but it really depends what you're trying to do. But Streams Fire and Sports Fire, 2 I recommend. Now, Flix Vision is absolutely one of the best ones. It's got the live TV section, movie and TV show sections. Netflix section works amazingly well and beats Netflix. Press install app on the Flix Vision application. Press the install button. Screen will blink and we'll go back to that, okay? To the store. Now, the last application I really like is OnStream application. Click on OnStream and press the download button, okay? Now, if these applications require any type of player, when you scroll over that application, it'll tell you which player to install. Those players can be found under the media players. Here's OnStream. I'm going to hit install, and the screen will flicker and OnStream is installed, okay? Now, I'm going to blur out the screen, and we're back to FireStick Tools. And the way I was installing these applications that I just named, I was just clicking on it, and I was pressing download. And I was downloading the application. It would download, then I was pressing the install button. Just like that, and then I would press the install, the screen would flicker and would go back. Now you can scroll up and down, left to right to get those applications. It was Flix Vision, Sports Fire, and OnStream. Those are my 3 favorite applications. If you want to throw in another 4th one, you could do Stream Fire as well, okay? That will give you a lot of content. Those are my top 3 applications. Now, press the home button, and remember, those applications should pop up and show up here. We got the Stream Fire, the Flix Vision, and then if we expand here more, you should see that we have the OnStream as well, okay? Here they are, my 3 favorite applications. Now, you can launch these applications from here at any time. Now, you can go back to my unlinked store at any time, just clicking on the unlinked store. Now, I'll see you through the entire process. My VPN was on 6 minutes here. So if you haven't got protected, please scan the barcode or go to this bit link, also in the pinned comment description, on your phone. Set up your own account. It'll keep you anonymous, keep you protected. It'll give you more links in Flix Vision. It'll give you more movies in OnStream. It'll give you the pay-per-views and the sports in the Stream Fire application or the Sports Fire application. It'll give you tons of content. This is absolutely the best setup today. And that's why I keep bringing you these updates. These apps were tested. They're all working. Make sure you're protected, fully anonymous. It's like a cup of coffee at Starbucks per month. That's how much a VPN access costs. It's going to keep you protected, keep you anonymous, keep you safe, and you're going to get so much content with that, okay? So thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. Now, one last thing before I leave out of here would be that a lot of people are stealing my content and my files. So one thing, if I do put a pin lock, 4-digit pin lock code to get into my unlinked store, the people that are going to get the pin lock are the people that comment on this video. I don't ask for money or donations. Just please drop a comment. If I do put a pin lock, which I haven't, the people that will get the pin lock is the people that commented exactly on this video. You can say your name, where you're from, what's your favorite sports team, what's your favorite food. Any comment helps. And below that comment, I'll reply with a 4-digit pin lock if I do ever put it in the future, as people have been knocking off my files from my unlinked store, okay? Also, follow me on X. We're reaching almost 1,500 followers on X, which is amazingly great. Love it. Love you guys supporting me there. Simply just follow me in that link in the description that's available as well. That's pretty much it. That's going to wrap up the video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. Hit the subscribe, hit the bell icon to get the notification, hit the like button, and of course, make a comment to get that 4-digit pin if I ever do implement one. That's all I ask. No money, no donations. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you all in the next video. Take care.